Welcome back to Q2C VR Gamer, this time for another first impressions playthrough of an Apple Vision Pro game called Rolling Buddy. Rolling Buddy is a captivating AR puzzle game that takes advantage of all of the aspects of Apple Vision Pro's mixed reality. And growing your little adventure and your little relationship, if you will, with Buddy, the main character of the game, and all his little star friends is absolutely a hoot. I played this game for hours. I had so much fun. In Rolling Buddy, you embark on an adventure with your lovable protagonist, Buddy. He's like a golf ball-sized sphere with an enormous heart. The journey begins where Buddy notices a falling star and a glowing portal leading to a fading star in need of help. Fueled by compassion, Buddy pledges to help, setting off on a quest to rescue all the lost celestial beings and bring light to the cosmos. This game takes you through 50 beautiful handcrafted levels, each set in one of 5 kind of mesmerizing themes: the serene grassy plains, the icy expanses of a glacier, fiery depths of a volcanic mountainside, and the gorgeous, awe-inspiring cosmos, even a bustling workshop. Each level presents unique challenges and moving elements that will test your puzzle-solving skills and immerse you into this magical world. What makes Rolling Buddy kind of stand out for me was its innovative use of Apple Vision Pro's pinch controlling. This feature allows you to dive into the AR experience, seamlessly interacting with the world around you, as the Apple Vision Pro pinch control is how you use to move him around in different directions, different speeds, and even canceling out movements if you change your mind. Even moving the board far away, spinning it around, all is done through the pinch control. This game's charming, miniature-like design is filled with all kinds of adorable characters, including Buddy and his star friends. Their endearing personalities and captivating visuals will draw you into a world brimming with wonder and excitement. You will have so much fun playing Rolling Buddy, I totally promise you. The attention to detail in the environments and character design is fantastic. Pixality, the developer, totally knocked it out of the park with this one. I had so much fun. Rolling Buddy offers a delightful blend of puzzle solving and immersive gameplay that I guarantee will keep you coming back for more. Join Buddy and their star companions as they embark on a quest to brighten up the cosmos and spread joy to all that they encounter. Let me know if Rolling Buddy was on your radar for Apple Vision Pro, and if it wasn't, maybe it is now. Thanks for watching, everybody. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more Apple Vision Pro games here on Q2C VR Gamer.